lot of Ndi Igbo don't know this person. His name is Bruce Mayrock. Did you know Bruce Mayrock, a 20-year-old Columbia University student, took his own life for Ndi Igbo? But grab your popcorn. On May 29, 1969, this man, Bruce Mayrock, set himself on fire in front of United Nations building in protest against the genocide of Biafrans. People he has never met before. He has never met any Biafran. He has never met any Ndi Igbo before in his life. He was deeply moved by the images of starving Biafran children caused by the food blockade. Before he set himself on fire, he was writing letters to world leaders, United Nations, but they ignored him. So that fateful day, he went to United Nations building at New York and set himself on fire. That selfless act of him drew worldwide attention towards the crisis that killed 3 million Biafrans. Today marks 57 years of his death. Bruce Mayrock, we honor you. He is a hero that will never be forgotten. In fact, he is a saint, a martyr. His selfless act reminds me of the popular Igbo saying, "Nwanne di na mba."